Hello and welcome students to the section 4 vulnerability scanning with Metasploit. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all we will learn about vulnerability scanning overview. Then we will learn that how you can install Nessus network vulnerability scanner, and then we will learn about that how you can use Nessus inside Metasploit, and then how to perform website scanning using Metasploit. So these are the points we are going to cover here in this section. Vulnerability scanning. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all we will learn about what is vulnerability scanning, and then we will learn what is the process of scanning. So let's start with what is vulnerability scanning. So in the first point you can see that it means find loopholes in the systems. So vulnerability means weakness. Scanning, so it means you are scanning for weaknesses in the system. It can be a website, it can be a network, right? The task is to find out the loopholes in the network or website, list them, and then the next step is exploitation. So vulnerability scanning step is really important because in this step pen tester tries to scan the vulnerability inside the system or the target, right? And then we need to find out the appropriate exploits for the next step. So these are the examples like network scanning, web scanning, application scanning. So there are many kinds of scanning available in industry, like network scanning, in which we scan the entire network, the client machines, the servers, right? The various kind of security mechanisms. So these are the components in network scanning. Web scanning, in which we try to scan the websites, we try to scan the web server, the source code of the website. So this kind of scanning means web scanning. Application scanning, in which you are trying to scan the applications like Android apps or iOS apps. So these kind of scanning comes under application scanning. Now the process of vulnerability scanning, basically to reach vulnerability scanning phase, first of all you need to perform information gathering. So information gathering is the first step, in which for example attacker or pen tester tries to gather more and more information about the target, right? All the basic information about the target, and the next step is basically to scan the vulnerability or loophole of the particular machine or target. So this is the process of vulnerability scanning. This is the process how you can reach to vulnerability scanning phase. So this is all about the overview of vulnerability scanning process.